Next, we want to insert manual and section page breaks into our document. The first thing you'll want to do is to go ahead and turn on the paragraph marker toggle button here so that you can see the paragraph markers between each of the paragraphs. So with that selected, we want to add an appropriate break at the end of each section. So what you'll want to do is to find where the title page and the abstract actually separate. And so I want to add a section break here in front of abstract. So place your cursor in front of the abstract heading, and under the page layout tab, under the breaks, you'll notice here that there's several options, and you want to do a section break that goes to the next page. Now that you have the paragraph marker option showing, you'll be able to see that that actually says a section break. Next, we want to do another break after the abstract. So place your cursor in front of the table of contents, and again go to breaks, and this time we want to do a regular page break, which is also called a manual page break, because we want the abstract and the table of contents to have the same type of footer. So that's why we are choosing a different type of section break, and we can see here that that's just a regular page break. But then when we start the body of the paper, we want to have Arabic numbers as our page numbers. So this is going to be a different section. So placing your cursor in front of chapter 1, we're going to do another section break right here. That way the table of contents and the abstract are one section. The title page is another section, and the body of the paper is actually its own section. And then down here we want to make sure our references are on a separate page as well. So we're scrolling on down, and we're going to insert another break right here in front of references. And we want the references to also have Arabic numbers for the footer. So we just want to do a regular page break or a manual page break so that we can continue that footer. So you can go through and check to make sure that you have the appropriate breaks for each section of the paper. And that's how you do manual and section breaks.